Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota Tacoma Limited. This one is in the super wide exterior with the black leather. And then checking out our window sticker, we do have a couple options: the paint protection film, carpet mats, and phone charger for a total of $42,206. Gas mileage is going to be 18 city and 22 out on the highway. Coming down here to our wheels, we're adding on 18-inch alloys exclusive on your limited trim level on Michelin tires. Then coming around back, clear lens tail lights that are also part of the limited package, rear backup camera as well as sensors. And then we do have smart key access, so just go ahead and keep the key fob on you, hand behind the door handle to unlock. And this one does have 6 miles on it, so just go ahead and put your foot on the brake, press your button to start. So we'll check out underneath the hood. Now underneath your hood we have a 3.5 liter dual variable valve timing V6 engine. It does feature D4S direct import fuel injection, producing 278 horsepower and 265 foot-pounds of torque, all going through a part-time four-wheel drive system and a 6-speed automatic transmission. So we'll go ahead and check out the interior. We have chrome mirror caps over here with turn signal indicators and blind spot monitoring. But coming in, you have that black leather interior, four-way manual driver's seat with your manual lumbar right there. Door panel materials, padded up top, padded down below on your armrest, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Premium JBL audio as well as some storage. And over here to the left, we'd have our bed light as well as our AC activation for the outlet that is in the bed, as well as our automatic high beams. Coming to our steering wheel, it is going to be a 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel, side bowstring grip extensions. We have our audio, voice commands, Bluetooth, 4-way D-pad for that center LCD right there, as well as our dynamic radar cruise, lane departure alert with lane keep assist, as well as the automatic high beams and forward collision alert with pedestrian detection. That is all standard on your TSSP safety suite. Over on the left, automatic headlights, fog lights, and blinkers, and then over on the right, your variable and speed wipers. Now checking out the head unit on your audio system, this is going to be AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary audio sources. Going to your apps, we do have navigation right here. You have HD traffic, you can input an address, select from a point of interest, or designate 6 different presets for destinations down below. Then you do have a nice home screen that you can customize by going to your settings, and then just selecting the segment you would want to customize. Below that, you do have your tri-stage heated seats for your front passengers, dual zone auto climate control, that 4-wheel drive controller, heated mirrors. Down below here, you do have an abundance of buttons with your blind spot monitoring, parking sensors, ECT power for your transmission, as well as your power sliding rear glass that you can see there in your rear view mirror. USB and auxiliary audio inputs, as well as your wireless charging down here. As you can see, my phone is charging. We also do have a couple of sets of cup holders, some up here, some down here. Shifter for your 6-speed automatic. You'd have a sport mode with manual shift, as well as your reverse. You'd have a backup camera on your audio screen. Padded armrest with a 12-volt down in there. And then as far as your glove box goes, you'd have your owner's manuals and your phone charger. Auto-dimming rearview mirror with garage home link and compass up top. Mirror and vanity lights on your sliding sun visors. Traction control off up top, as well as some sunglass storage and your automatic sliding sunroof. And so we'll close that up. It does also vent. But that about concludes the front seat of the tour. We'll go ahead and check out the rear seat. Now coming back here, of course your black leather does follow through, as well as all your padded door panel materials, power window, and your storage down below. Front seat set for my 5'9" driving frame. I do have adequate room. Footroom down below, more than adequate. We also do have some cup holders. We do have that rear vent right there, as well as some damped cornering handles up top, and a dome light with coat hooks. So we'll go ahead and check out the bed, and then we can wrap up the video. Now coming around back, we do have our 5-foot composite bed on this model. It is a locking tailgate, damped as well. You have D-rings in all 4 corners to tie down larger items, bed rails on either side so you can adjust some tie downs, Little storage cubby over there, and then here's that 120 volt power outlet right there. So we'll go ahead and close it up. And so that'll be it for this 2018 Toyota Tacoma Limited. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So thank you guys for watching. This is Garrison once again, and I will see you in my next video.